Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To this, add 1 strand of lemongrass. Lemongrass prevents the growth of bacteria and yeast. It relieves pain and swelling, reduces fever, improves sugar levels and cholesterol in the blood. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effects, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then add half teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. This ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. Then add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Close it with the lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 5 minutes, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to a mug. Now a healthy fat melted drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this weight loss drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan and keep it ready. To this, add 1 strand of lemongrass. Lemongrass prevents the growth of bacteria and yeast. It relieves pain and swelling, reduces fever, improves sugar levels and cholesterol in the blood. Then add 1 clove of garlic chopped. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in the body and improves bone health. Then add half teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart disease and blood pressure and relieves pain. Finally, add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Let this rest for 2 minutes. Then strain and add it to a mug. Now a healthy fat melted drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this effective weight loss drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.